Welcome to Telematics Canada. Some years ago now, NovaStar introduced a cloud-based media publishing service that was nice. It was most certainly okay by any measure at the time, and while somewhat challenging for some of us to decipher, overall it was a jolly good effort. Well, as they say, that was then, and this is now. Roll the film. VNNOX Media is a sophisticated cloud platform from NovaStar that provides remote content management and administration of LED display control systems. An intuitive user interface offers efficient WYSIWYG content editing and one-click publishing. Operators can control displays in real time, deploy and schedule preset programming solutions, easily insert emergency notifications, and work with advertisers. Resource grouping management enables permission assignment and data isolation, while an approval mechanism controls distribution and enhances publishing security. Yikes! So what does all of that actually mean to you and me? Your LED display is quite likely controlled with one of our NovaStar Taurus media players that operate asynchronously, which is to say it stores digital media on board rather than on a connected PC, and plays it on the display using a combination of software. That software is NovaStar LCT, and used to configure the hardware layout of your display, and also NovaStar Viplex, which is used to create solutions. Such a solution will consist of digital content that might, for example, be a series of images or videos played in a sequence and on a schedule. VNNOX Media lets you do all that using cloud computing, which is really very handy if you have displays that are located all over town, or for that matter, all over the country. To use VNNOX Media, you will need to set up an account. Terminal players at each of your screens are registered and bound to your VNNOX account with a few simple steps. NovaStar Taurus players can be used as terminal players with an asynchronous system. Synchronous NovaStar controllers combined with Windows or Linux computers require the additional vPlayer app to create the same terminal player function as the Taurus. So now that we have all that out of the way, all that remains is for you to set aside maybe 20 minutes to get signed in and set up. And now there is NovaStar's Care, which quite nicely rounds out VNNOX Media. Care improves upon the iCare cloud system that NovaStar has offered for the past several years. And really, who needs to put the letter I in front of every product anyway? VNNOX Care features visual data analysis, intelligent information management, and remote monitoring. I'm seeing a pattern, and I like what I am seeing. Roll the film. VNNOX Care is an intuitive online application that monitors LED screens and components, including sending and receiving cards, smart modules, and much more. Operators can view the real-time performance of their screens anytime and anywhere. Care reliably delivers comprehensive 24/7 monitoring and intelligent maintenance services. VNNOX Care empowers operators to back up their screen configuration files to the cloud, and to have those files on hand for Nova LCT just when you need them. Care breaks the traditional maintenance model enjoyed by a generation of contract technicians, and provides real-time status, historical fault and data maintenance, and a host of other critical functions. Whether your screens are controlled by asynchronous Taurus media players, or any of our many synchronous controllers, VNNOX Care is ready to create a very useful window on your screen world. And in very short order, I'm betting that you will wonder how you ever managed without it. If you would like to get started with VNNOX Media, or VNNOX Care, now just might be as good a time as any. And if you are wondering, wait for it, hey, how much is this going to cost me? Well, that is just the icing on the cake. Okay, granted you first need to own an LED display. But other than that, VNNOX is priced at, well, there is no cost at all. And as always, give us a call at your convenience, and let's spend some time reviewing any of your projects. We are always here to help.